Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick pre-market video for December 29th, 2023, last trading day of 2023. Let's make it a good one. Here looking at SPXP, this is the full complex, all expirations are turned on. Things to note, transition zone, same as yesterday, 47.75, 47.80. Above the top of transition, looking for a move to 4800. This is COI and plus GEX. Those levels have not changed. Below 4775 and 4760 is the target, as this is negative GEX. Other thing to note, above and below spot price is in the money, out of the money, call dominated, which is constructive. However, zooming in, today's OPEX, over 2 million contracts expiring today. Here we're looking at SPX 0 DTE. You can see a bit of a wider transition zone. 4790 is the top, 4775 is the bottom. Above 4790, expectation is 4800, which is plus GEX and COI. Plus GEX being the strike with the most call gamma, and COI is the strike with the most call open interest. So very liquid strike. Price likes to travel to liquidity. So below 47.75 and 47.60 is the downside target, which is negative GEX. Things to note, above spot price, we're in the money put dominated. Below spot price, we're in the money call dominated. So we do have opposing forces right now. Historically, we do know that this is hard to see any meaningful progress one way or another. Looking at the 1 DTE, which is next Tuesday. Top of transition zone, 47.85. We do have a shift higher in plus GEX of 48.25. However, COI is still at 4,800. I will note right now we have 200,000 contracts for that day, so there is a lot of money to be moved from today's expiration into Tuesday's expiration. This becomes kind of more relevant as we get further in today's expirations. Look at the volume command, see how volume's starting to build out on those days, see if there's any tails. There may be, may not be. You can see a bit of a choppiness in structure right now, below 47.85 down to 47.45, then 46.75 is negative GEX. So again, lots happened in this expiration, but kind of early indications there. We are in the money, out of the money, call dominated. However, kind of do have some peaks of puts starting to appear below spot price, so we need to be cognizant of that, see if those truly are speculators or if it kind of does repair itself as we get updates in structure. So looking at next week though, in the money, out of the money, call dominated. Do have a little bit of net put dominated strikes below spot price. So again, need to monitor that, see if they do repair themselves or if those start to get more pervasive as we move on through time. Transition zone 47.55, 47.80. Top of transition above that, we have 4,800 still is the logical target there. That is plus GEX and COI to the downside, 4,700 right now. So last thing I wanted to hit on real quick was the tick. Looking at the market trend model here, relatively flat for, really this week. We are below the short-term moving average, trending lower. However, we're really just flat. Not a ton else to say here. Bulls, obviously you want to see a continuation higher. If you're a bull, you want to see kind of a waterfall lower. Really no super meaningful buying or selling. Just keep in mind the scale of the filter tick. Kind of locks in based off of what we've seen. So yeah, not a ton else to really derive here. It's just kind of a direction of this market right now. So do have our, just circling back real quick, 0 DT. Do have our targets here. Leave you guys with this, above 47.90. 4,800 makes sense, but kind of a large chop zone today. So keep that in mind as well. OPEX again. So kind of what those days bring. So with that, best luck to you, and we'll see you next year. Bye.